Unpack the seat covers. In this driver's and double seat set, you'll find most of the elements are packed within the driver's seat back cover. First we are going to tackle the passenger seat back, which has a zip on the front, so you won't need to unbolt or remove the seat frame to fit it. You'll need to remove all the headrests before attempting to fit the seat covers. Carefully fit the passenger seat back cover. Now push the headrest post guides through the small pre-cut holes in the top of the cover. The material has quite a lot of give, so don't be afraid to stretch it. You can do up the main zip at this stage, but leave a little unzipped at the bottom for now. Once you have got all 4 headrest post guides through, you can move on to the 2 further zips at the base of each seat back, which join the front and rear of the cover to secure it in place. This is quite tricky and will require some persistence. You can now zip up the rest of the main zipper. Take the passenger seat base covers and fit them over the seat bases. Make sure the rear corners are tucked in correctly. Now use the metal hooks provided to attach the elasticated retaining straps to each other underneath the seat pieces. Identify the front and rear of the headrests and their covers. There is a difference and it's easy to put them on backwards. As you can see, this is a fairly straightforward job, but will require a little grappling with the cover to get it into the correct position. Once in place, zip up the retaining zipper and tuck away the ends. If your model has the armrest that flips down from the back of the centre seat, you'll need to fit this cover. Making sure the zip that is located under the hole for the armrest is unzipped, carefully pull the seat cover into place. Push the headrest post guides through the pre-punched holes. They may look small, but there is a fair amount of give in the material, as you can see. Making sure it is fully unzipped, you can now take the armrest cover and slide it over the armrest, zipping it up to secure it, and whilst you are there, also zip up the seat back cover, just underneath the armrest. Put the seat base cover in place, and carefully tuck the sides down between the seat cushion and the trim, until you can get the elasticated loops underneath. Take the metal hooks provided and attach the elasticated loops underneath the seat base to secure it. You can now replace all the headrests. Our seat covers turn ordinary seats into luxury seats. Any wrinkles caused by packing smooth out with use.